135 mark. cknarayan of Growth Avenues also now joins in. Hi CK, good morning. Do you think the rally will continue, and how much more will you give the Nifty, at least till the budget?
Well, I think this is a market which seems to be very, very convinced about going up. We are all aware of various points of misgivings which are there around us. The monsoon has been delayed. The government has inherited a much larger fiscal deficit. There are problems galore at the fundamental level, but nothing significantly changed. But the market is wearing a very distinctively bullish look, and it has been wearing this for quite some time and shows absolutely no inclination, to kind of dilute that view at all. So therefore, we have to presume that the market in its totality of its wisdom knows more than what each of us at our individual level knows. So therefore, we should follow the wisdom of the market and remain steadfastly, bullishly biased on this market. I think at the rate or at the pace at which it is going, 78 to 8,000 seems to be definitely on the cards. We don't have any significant event till the budget. Okay, we got 10 days to go. But I think 10 days is more than enough for a few hundred points to be added on to the Nifty. So I remain very, very bullish on the market.
Okay, on that optimistic note then, CK, give us a couple of strategies. You have a buy call on IRB Infra this morning.
Yeah, I think at this juncture, I would look at all these stocks which have got some kind of news element which is attached to it, because there is no doubt that people have this feeling that we are trading at a high level and therefore we need some sort of lead, some sort of solace which would make us kind of commit to a buy position. So I think any stock, all the stocks that I recommend have some news element attached to it which makes people more comfortable in taking long. IRB with the news about the road infrastructure thing playing out, the Japanese investors and so on. I think that is one of the big news thing which is driving IRB, the road infra. And I think there is still room for IRB in the short run. We may see it go up to about 246, 47, which is the target for traders. So not too much left for traders. But I think if somebody is a positional player, they can look at something closer to about 260. For other picks, I would think something like Dish TV is something which has come up very nicely. I've been waiting for an upside breakout on that particular chart, and that has been rather forcefully given as of yesterday. The pattern has been building up for quite a while, indicating that maybe an intermediate or perhaps even a long-term bottom has been put in the chart of Dish TV, which would suggest that over the short to kind of intermediate term, let's say a multi-week position could even plan for about a 20-point rise from the current level of about 60 rupees. So I think around 80 rupees is definitely on the cards if one is taking a little positional view. For let's say 1 day, 2 day type of traders, a price level of around 67 should net them pretty decent kind of returns.
Okay. A couple of your other picks include a Jain Irrigation. Why do you like it?
Well, again, Jain is a story based upon news flow expectation. The president's speech and at the parliament, new government stressed very, very strongly on this irrigation as a theme which was required. And I think Jain Irrigation is the main listed play in the market as far as irrigation is concerned. And I think that's going to be an expectation driver for the budget as well. And the prices have been responding very, very well indeed. There is a very good build-up in futures. There is very good delivery volume which is happening. The price move is excellent. For day traders, 1 or 2 day kind of traders, I see a move till about 132. And for positional players, I think a move between 145 to 149 over the, let's say, the next week or two is very much possible.
Okay, and just quickly on to your final strategy. You have a buy on Tata Global Beverages today.
Again, Tata Global is thick of the news front. You have SMSs flying all over the country about how some listing will happen elsewhere, Starbucks and so on and so forth. So I think Tata Global seems to be kind of living up to the image set by those messages and rumors. And there seems to be an inclination to stage a breakout above 175, which has been a kind of a strong resistance and supply zone for the stock. I think that it has succeeded in doing so yesterday. So if we do see some follow through, then short-term traders can look for a target at about 82, 83, while positional players can attempt for a play till about 197 or thereabouts at the minimum.
All right, CK, thanks for giving us those strategies. You have a good day.